Hey, this is Guillaume from ViewComfy. I'm going to show you how to install our repo in this tutorial. So if you don't know already, ViewComfy is an app builder built on top of ComfyUI. So it enables you to take any ComfyUI workflow and without having any code, turn it into a web app and be able to interact directly with it. Then if you want to share that web app, there's a few different ways. I have some tutorials on how to do that on our website. But for this video, I'm just going to show you how to install it. So first thing to do is to go on the repo and then you need to git clone this URL here. I've got the comments already written down here, so I'll just go a bit further down. So this is what you need to do. So I'm going to open a new terminal here and I'm going to cd into my documents. And so this is where I'm going to install ViewComfy. You can obviously install it wherever you want on your computer. So let me just run those commands. One key thing is that you need to have Node 18.18 installed on your computer for ViewComfy to work. If you don't have it already, you can just go on the website and get it from there. It's quite easy to install. So now I'm just going to cd into the ViewComfy folder. Okay, once you've done that, you can go ahead and run npm install. That will install the dependencies. And one key thing you need to know when using ViewComfy is that it's actually running ComfyUI in the background. Well, it needs ComfyUI in the background to be running. Because ViewComfy is just the kind of interface on top of ComfyUI. So here I'm just gonna have it running already. Make sure that it's running at port 8188. By default it should be listening to that port, but if it's not, just make sure that you specify it when you launch the app. So I have I have Comfy running. And now I can launch ViewComfy. So let's go here, npm run dev. Right, so now I have it running at this address. I'm just going to open it in my browser. It's going to take a second to compile. So this is the ViewComfy UI when you open it. At first, the first thing you need to do is to drop the workflow API JSON for the workflow you want to be using in there. So I'm just going to do that here. So I'm using just a basic kind of text-to-image workflow here for this demonstration. You can give your workflow a name. This is because you can have multiple workflows saved inside ViewComfy at the same time. So this is the one I'm creating now. It could be called my app. And what ViewComfy did here is that loaded all the parameters in the workflow, and then you need to remove the parameter you don't want to expose to your users. So I want to keep the prompt, then negative prompt, let's say I want to hide it. All the parameters inside the case sampler, I will hide them, but I will change step to 30 because I will be using a SDXL model. So if you change a parameter here, before you remove it, make sure you save the change, otherwise you will lose it. Now I actually don't have DreamShaper installed on my computer, well in the ComfyUI version I have on my computer, so I'm just gonna get one of the models I have. So here I'm just going inside as you can see, my ComfyUI installation model checkpoint, and I can see the one I have. Well, I lied, I do have DreamShaper, but I'm gonna use Juggernaut instead. So I'm just gonna change the name here. Save. Again, we're using SDXL model, so we need to change the resolution. I'm going to remove all that. I'm going to keep the batch size because why not? I'm just going to show you how it works. And then save. And you can go in the playground version. And then you can start generating right away, given that you have ComfyUI running in the background and that it has all the nodes and models installed already. You can see, so that those are the parameters we kept, so the batch size and the prompt. And just remove that, click generate, and you should get an image of a beautiful glass bottle. There you go. If you have any questions or you'd like to run something like that in the cloud, don't hesitate to get in touch with the team on our website. Thank you.